Good morning. It's Saturday. We're here at Factory Outlet Trailers, and I'm Blair Anderson. On Saturdays, we like to introduce a staff member. Today, I'm here with Katie. Katie, how long have you been with Factory Outlet Trailers?
Oh boy, just about 3.5 years now.
Wow, 3.5 years. Tell me, what is it you like most about Factory Outlet Trailers that keeps you coming back every day?
Probably how busy and fast paced we are, really. I've met thousands of people in my 3.5 years here, and everybody's unique, and you make a lot of connections.
For sure, connections are great. It's neat. It's neat the different, diverse people that we get to meet along the way. So, with over 500 trailers on the lot at the store, what would you say would be your pick for somebody and why?
Probably one of our Cargo Mate Challenger series. Really, those trailers are like a blank canvas, and you can add any options you want into them. And they're affordable, really, especially with today's downfall in our economy. So, that's
Awesome. They are a great trailer, entry level pricing, and gets you on the road in a hurry for sure. If you could give a recommendation to a customer, just one recommendation, what would it be?
Probably when you purchase a trailer here, always make sure you have a spare tire. You'll never need it until you don't have it.
That is a great option for sure. And lastly, what's one thing that our customers might not know about you yet?
Oh man, when I first started at this company, I was a very shy person, and a lot of people that know me now would say that that's probably not the case.
That is definitely not the case. For the longest time as a receptionist and the first face that people would see when they come into the store, you've really grown as a person. It's great to get to know you a little bit more. And thanks for joining us again at Factory Outlet Trailers.